We're looking at our Chapter 6 handout, Example 1, under the Specific Identification Inventory Cost Method. And remember, your Specific Identification Inventory Cost Method matches each unit of inventory with its actual cost. So we're given beginning inventory and a couple of inventory purchases throughout the year for Smith Company, and we need to calculate our ending inventory balance and the cost of goods sold for the year, assuming that we're using the Specific Identification Method. Okay, so we have activity for the year. January 1st, we started with some inventory. We had some beginning inventory. On May the 5th, we purchased some inventory. And then again on November the 3rd, we purchased some inventory. So now we've got our activity in there. We're going to determine our cost of goods sold. And under specific identification, we know we match the units we sold per each bucket of inventory. Okay, so we sold, in the problem, it tells us we sold our entire beginning inventory. So we had 60 units, we sold 60 units. Okay, we paid $73 per unit. So that was our unit cost per inventory. 60 units sold times my $73 per inventory unit gives me cost of goods sold for this bucket of $4,380. All right, let's figure out what we have left. Told us we sold everything in the beginning bucket. Do we have anything left? Nope. Anything left at $73 a unit gives me an ending inventory cost of 0. Moving on to our next bucket, May 5th. We purchased 205 units of inventory at $76 a unit. The problem tells me that of that bucket, we sold 185 units. Okay, 185 units, and we paid $76 per unit. 185 times 76 gives me a cost of goods sold of $14,060. Let's figure out what we have left in our ending inventory. We purchased 205 units. We sold 185 units. What's left? 20 units. 205 minus 185. What do we pay for those units? We paid $76 per unit. 20 times 76 gives me ending inventory of $1,520. Let's move on to our next bucket. November the 3rd. Looks like we purchased 110 units, but of those 110, we sold 85. Okay, we purchased those units at $81 a unit. 85 times 81 gives me cost of goods sold of $6,885. What do I have left in my ending inventory? What's on my balance sheet? Well, I started with 110 units. I sold 85. 110 minus 85 means I have 25 units left. Paid $81 a unit. I've got ending inventory of $2,025. Now we're ready to total everything up. How many units did I sell? 60 plus 185 plus 85, 330. I can go back and double check that in the problem. It told me in the beginning, I sold 330 unique tights. What is my cost of goods sold? $4,380 from my beginning bucket, $14,060 from my May 5th, and $6,885 for my November 3rd bucket. Add them all together. Cost of goods sold is $25,325. How many units do I have left in my ending inventory? 0 plus 20 plus 25. So I have 45 units left. Also, double check that. Take my units sold plus my leftover inventory. What's in my ending inventory? And that should get me to my total number of units, 375. What's my ending inventory cost? My 1,520 plus my 2,025 gives me ending inventory cost of $3,545.